Hi guys, welcome to Coding Masters. I am providing to you simple guidance where you need to start your career. If your plan is to become an AI engineer, step 1, learn Python basics very well. Once you joined graduation, any degree, you never worry about the graduation. Particular degree if you are doing, you will get a great job, like that is not there. Any degree you can select, the semester 1, whenever it is moving on in your college, parallel you can study Python. Python is the base and the cost of AI engineering. That is the reason always I am saying in my videos, Python. Not only graduates, my dears, if you complete intermediate, right now you are free, learn Python. Not only intermediate people, if you have completed 10th class, you are free, please learn Python. Not only 10th class people, you are any class, Python is the first and foremost word to learn for AI engineering. Very simplest, easiest coding for all beginners. So as a beginner, what is our step 1? Python coding for AI engineering. Thank you for watching.